So you'll be asked to pull over anywhere between 3 to 5 times on your road test. There's the signal, shoulder check, quarter turn to the right. Okay, and when I get close enough, quarter turn to the left. Looking at the right mirror to make sure I'm parallel. So then this case, I was a little bit far, so I made the adjustments. Okay, neutral test. Looks like we are slowly rolling forward, so that's downhill. So I turned my steering wheel all the way to the right, and then I parked the car. Okay, another example here. Signal, shoulder check, slow the car down, quarter turn, and then quarter turn back out. Get straight with the curb. Unhappy with it, so I fixed it once. Okay, neutral test. Rolling backwards, turning all the way to the left, parking it. Hey, thanks for watching. For more driving tips, please subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.